The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip used in the Galaxy S23 series is an upgraded model that runs faster than the chip used in other smartphones right now. However, that exclusive contract can expire shortly since another business is expected to make a comparable offer in the near future. For the first time in the company's history, Samsung used a Snapdragon processor in all of its Galaxy S series phones. As a result of the chip's incredible battery life and performance, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2's faster version is no longer exclusive to Samsung. It's possible that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy chip, which has been exclusive to Samsung phones for a few months, may soon lose its exclusivity. The higher-clocked Snapdragon Gen 2 processor won't be exclusive to Samsung phones anymore, claims the Chinese tipster internet chat station. According to the report, the chip will be offered to many Chinese smartphone manufacturers in the second half of this year. Although the source withheld the names of the OEMs that would have access to this chip, it is likely that Asus, OnePlus, Red Magic, and Xiaomi might utilize it. The point is that faster CPUs appear to be making their way to more people, even if it's unclear whether this will be the exact same chip as the Galaxy model. Like the mid-cycle update from the previous year, this is probably billed as Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 2. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor used in the Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, and Galaxy S23 Ultra features a CPU that is 5 times faster and a GPU that is 5.7 times faster than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 regular processor. The Galaxy S23 series now has the advantage when it comes to single-core CPU speed and picture processing, since this unprocessing element is also said to be somewhat faster. With the release of the Galaxy S24 early in 2019, Samsung intends to reintroduce Exeter's processors. Rumor has claimed that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor will be used in certain Galaxy S24 models, while the Exynos 2400 will be found in others. A substantially faster GPU and enhanced power efficiency are said to be included in the Exynos 2400. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.